I'm getting ready to change my water check valve here on my Toyota Tundra. This is the valve, and you can purchase this in the link below, the description below. So let's open this, show you what one of them looks like. This right here, they call it a check valve. And as you can see, it's one direction. So the water flows from this direction to this direction. So the one on my Toyota Tundra is, I guess it's clogged up. It's only flowing in and it's letting water come out of one of the wipers. So let me show you what's going on. As you see, it was just that one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace it. Really simple to do. This check valve right here, but make sure you got it pointed in the right direction. If water is coming in this way, make sure your tank is over here and it plugs in there. And here we go. Bring the camera a little closer so you can see. This is the old one that I'm taking off. It's clogged up. And as you see, it's gonna flow this direction. I guess the hole's kind of rotten a little bit. So I'm gonna put it on just like this. Because if you can see, my tank is over on this side, right here. So the water is coming from here, it's going there. So my valve needs to sit in this direction, right here. So let's see if it works now.